You ready for a topic 10 review that I can finally get to? I've had problems with my internet, but now we're going to get to it, okay? So tonight your only homework is just to study and look over it, and this is just a little extra something, just in case you need it, okay? Ready to get started? Let's go! Okay. So the good news is topic 10 is actually kind of easy, okay? It doesn't have any of that weird breaking down stuff that they had in the homework, okay? So number 1, Julia gives a sheet of stickers to 4 of her friends. Each sheet has 20 stickers. See, this each means multiply. Use the number line to solve. So this problem is 4 times 20, okay? That means on a number line, 4 jumps of 20. So I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to do 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first number we jump to is 20 because we're jumping by 20. Now 20s is just like jumping by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. And then so since it's 20, we add that special little 0. So this was our 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the answer is 80. Or you say 4 times 2 is 8 plus a 0. Okay. All right, number 2. Choose yes or no to tell if this expression is equal to 8 times 60. Now, if I think about 8 times 60, this is 8 times 6 times 10, or 6 times 8 times 10. It could also be 80 times 6. When you have a number like this, okay, and you're multiplying times 10, you can move that 0 around. 10 can move. So these two are the same. The 0 can switch spots, okay, as long as you have the same 2 numbers. Okay, then you have to think about what's the answer. Now on the test, you can use scratch paper. You could do arrays, equal groups, or you can draw pictures, okay? But 6 times 8 is 48. So this is going to be 48 times 10. Yep, that's a good one. 6 times 80. 6 times 80. Yes, that's right. 6 times 8 times 10, or 8 times 6 times 10. Yep, that's right. 8, 8, and 10? No, there's only one 8, so this is the no. Okay? So on the test, you have to solve the answer, and you have to see that these numbers can switch spots, okay? All right, number 3. All you have to do for number 3 is multiply the 2 numbers. You don't have to explain. So this is just 8 times 80, okay? 8 times 8 is 64 with a happy 0 at the end. Ta-da! Okay. Number 4. This one is tricky only if you don't pay attention to the top part of it. And I know the kids have seen some questions like this before. It says a 3rd grader teachers at Jenny's school need 5 boxes of yellow folders, 4 boxes of red folders. So folders and folders, okay? So altogether they have 9 boxes. Each box has 40 folders. Now what the kids want to do sometimes is they only want to do one of the colors. But it doesn't say just one color. It says all the folders. So on the test, you're going to have to add both of the number of items, whether it's boxes or bags or whatever, times the number. So 5 plus 4 is 9 times 40. Okay, 9 times 40, you do your 9's trick. That's 36 with a happy 0, so it's 360. Okay, moving on to number 5. All right, number 5 on your test, it wants you to match these problems to like the problem at the top, like the daddy problem and all these little babies. Okay, on the test, you're going to have it labeled. You don't have to write them all again. So I'm just labeling it with my ABCs. All right, and what I told the kids for the reviewing class was, you're just matching numbers and answers. I know 6 times 3 is 18, 3 times 8 is 24. But even if you didn't know that, this is 3 times a number, 3 times a number. The smaller answer, whether it's 18 or 24, is going to go to the smaller multiplication problem. The 6 is smaller than the 8, okay, even if you couldn't solve it. Then you just have to match. Look, 3, 8, 3, 8. So A goes here. Used 8. 3, 6. 3, 6. B goes here. 24. That's going to be the bigger one. 3 times 8 is 24. Let's see. 8 and 3. 8 and 3. Okay, this is bothering me. I did a different hint. All right, 6, 3. 6, 3. So that's E. 18 goes to the smaller one. So that's F. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. That's H. Oops, sorry, not H. G. And then 6 and 3 goes here. That's H. Done. So you match the numbers. That's it. So easy. All right, number 6. Draw lines to connect equal expressions. All you have to do is solve these. So 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 4 is 28. 6 times 4 is 24. All right, so on the test, all they gotta do is just answer it. And of course, they'll have scratch paper. All right, next page. All right. Thomas wrote 4 times 3 times 10. 4 times 3 times 10. So what is this number? All you gotta do is solve it. 4 times 3 is 12 with a 0 at the end. Done with number 7. All right. It says this is 5 times 40. Use a number line to solve. 5 jumps of 40. Okay. The kids can do 5 times 40 or 4 times 50. I told the kids in class that they can move the 0 because like if it's times 9, you don't want to do 9 jumps. Like if it's 3 times 90, you could do 3 jumps of 90. Or like if it says 9 times 3, you don't want to do 9 jumps. You do it less. So you can always move the 0. Right? I'm going to do the correct number because some of y'all like to stay to what's on the paper. 5 times 40, that's 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So I'm going to turn it sideways so I have more room to write. So 4, because we're doing 40s. 8, 12, 16, 20. And I'll just pop my happy zeros at the end. And the answer is 200. Okay? Number 9. All this is just 5 times 90. That's it. Or 90 times 5. And it's $90. We always got to carry our money sign. Just 450. And you don't have to explain. All right. Choose the expressions that are equal to 7 times 5. 7 5 times 10. Yep, that's right. 7 times 5 is 35. Times 10. Yep, that's right. 7 times 5. Nope, it's missing a 0. So this is not it. 75. No, that's way too big. 7 5 10. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Number 11. Tyrone drives 30 miles every day. How many miles does he drive in 7 days? So this is going to be 7 times 30 or 30 times 7. Oops, I mean 3 times 70. Huh. Okay, so you can do 3 jumps of 70 or 7 jumps of 30. Use a number line to solve. You always start at 0. Don't count the 0 as 1 jump. Okay, I'm actually going to do 3 jumps because that'll be shorter. Okay, 1, 2, 3 jumps. 70 is the number I'm starting with. 70. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. The answer is 210. Show another way to solve the problem. Okay. 3 times 70 is 210. I'm just asking the kids to write an expression right there. That's it. No big deal. All right. Now time for the performance assessment. Wow, we're almost done already. Okay, for this page, we have to use the adoption fees. So adult doggies are $60, puppies are $80, big kitties are $40, and baby kitties are $60. And this is how many they adopted. So they adopted 8 dogs, 4 puppies, 5 big kitties, and 3 little kitties. Carson wants to do the total adoption fees for Rescue Center for adult dogs and show how they can do that. Okay, on the number line. So adult dogs were $60 and they bought 8. This is just 8 times 60. That's it. So 8 times 60. 8 jumps of 60 or 6 jumps of 80. Start at 0. Okay. So I'm going to do 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Turn it to the side. Start with 60. 6 plus 6 is 12. 180. 6 plus that is 240. 6 plus that is 30. Plus the half is 0. And 36. And 42. And 48. All done. All right, Adriana says that she can use 4 times 8 times 10 to find the total adoption fees for puppies. Is she correct? Why or not? So we need a 4, 8, and a 10. Okay. All right, puppies, 4. 4. Price, 80. Here's the 8 and the 10. 80 is an 8 and a 10. 8 times 10 is 80. Okay, so is she correct? So on the test, this might not be correct. You just have to make sure that you match the numbers. If it is, you say yes. If it's not, you say no. So yes. They had puppies bought equals 4. Price equals $80. So 4 times 80 equals 4 times 8 times 10. There you go. All right, number 3. Find the adoption fees for the rescue center. The rescue center is received for kittens. Okay, think about patterns and properties. You know, we don't have to worry about the patterns. Okay, find the adoption fees for kittens. Okay, kittens was 3 times 60. That's it. Equals $180. That's all I want them to do is just multiply to find the answer. That's it. 3 kittens times $60. $180. Done. All right, on the back. So in this one, we're doing, instead of kitties and how many they bought, we got packs of toys and how many did they sell. All right, so large packs of toys for big dogs is $50. Small dogs is $30. Cats is $20. So cats are cheaper. They have 5 big dogs, 7 little dogs, and then they didn't say how many cats. Okay, so we're going to find out how much money did they spend on large puppies. So there's 5 large puppies times $50. And then, there you go, $250. Carson says that the center earned more money selling toys for small dogs. Well, I already know that's $250 for large. Let's find the small ones. Small dogs would be $30 times 7. So 30 times 7 equals $210. So is he correct that it cost more money for small dogs? No, I think small dogs is cheaper. So no, he's not correct because $250 is greater than $210. Or you could have said $210 is less than $250. Last one. Now this one's easy too. Okay? She forgot to record the number of packages for cats. She knows she spent $140. How many packs of toys did they sell? So if they spent $140 and cats cost $20 a piece, 20 times how many kitties equals 140? Well, I like these numbers. They're my friends. Okay? You would say 2 times what equals 14? Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That's 7. Missing number is 7. And that's it. We're all done. Wow, that was easy. A lot easier than some of our other tests. Yay! Okay, so study tonight. You're going to be great. You're going to do a great job. Love you.